Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Welcome to Fired Up Friday. Before we get out, I'm going to head outside here to do the burn soon. Yeah, I'm right on time, looking at the clock. Want to throw out some birthday wishes to BC Jerbs. His birthday is the 29th. Today should be the 28th, Friday. Happy birthday, brother. And let's jump to, I got a mail call this week, and I've also got the channel shout out, so let's head over to that, then I'll pop outside and we'll get the burn going. Alrighty, I gotta be careful about, damn it, gotta be careful about showing this because the address is on the other side. I haven't written it down yet. I always write down all the addresses for packages I get. I lifted the whole fingernail up the other day, so now I'm like being careful not to use it. Tearing open that box, that would have hurt. Come on. Oh, this is what I thought it was. Sweet. So this is a channel called Through Failure We Succeed, which is a great channel name, but he sent me a striker that he crafted himself and a little piece of flint, so I'm about to get out and try this hopefully, but he forged that himself and threw in a piece of flint along with a cool pouch. So it feels like wax or canvas. It just needs waxing. Fortunately, I just saw Dominic Manichetti do a video waxing this, so appreciate that, brother. That's very cool. I'm about to get that out there with some char cloth soon. Alright. Super cool. Push that aside. I'll have to send him my channel sticker as well. Get those in. One didn't come flying out. Yep. And we have, oh sweet, Dream Creations and Adventure, Donna. Where's her sticker? Where's her sticker? I know I have one. Oh, it's right here. It's right underneath me. Dream Creations and Adventures, next to Mr. Bill Melton. Fab Creations, Expeditionary Johnny, Aerobin Outdoors, which I hope he's doing well. Judy and Spirit, Orion. Cat in the North. I guess I have two stickers of hers, so I get two of her stickers. Carizona Chris, Nicholson Family Homestead, Muskrat Jim Survival, Ron T. Sawyer, Shirley Seychelle, Plain Old Chuck. Sweet. Quick view of my sticker board. Chris's Variety Channel. A lot of people. My buddy Backpacking with Buckley, Michael Brunner, BC Jerbs, Birthday Boy. I gotta get your card out, brother. I forgot to buy you a birthday card the other day. Still got some more to go, so if I haven't drawn your name yet, well, I'm only doing one a week, so I'm working on it. Alright. Let's get out and get the burn. How we do a one stick fire today? Let's see here. Well, that was kind of weird. That wood was bone dry. It had been out there all summer for months. So even with the spark of the Nathan 4071 ferro rod, it just was not working for me. So maybe it's something I revisit down the road. One stick fire. Anyway, as always, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from recruits to veterans. Thank you for your service. Let's not forget 22 a day for our veterans taking their lives. 22 days a lot. So anyway, I thank you for watching. Check out the links in the description. Happy birthday again, BC Jerbs, my brother. I can actually drive up there. It'd take me about 5 hours. I could drive up to his house, or drive up to about where he lives. But I think the border is still closed, so let's hope it opens soon. Pandemic goes away. Knock on wood. Have a great day. We'll catch you in the next one.